Incredible India.
Incredible India. That's right.
What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in South Miami. This is the neighborhood in Miami where I grew up, and today I'm taking you to eat 5 killer Indian street food dishes at Bollywood Masala, a local restaurant located in this strip mall on 57th Avenue and 74th Street. The owners are from Mumbai. They make local food, very homemade style food. I can't wait to eat some incredible Indian dishes. Incredible India.
Hi, my name is Tina and you are in Bollywood Masala, which is located in South Miami. We are one of the first Indian restaurants in Miami to be a fast casual restaurant, and we do all kinds of home style Indian cooking, and which includes wraps, which nobody in Miami does a really good chicken tikka wrap. So the dishes that we're gonna try today is the deconstructed Aloo Samosa chaat, which is samosas topped with a delicious tangy chickpea, butter chicken curry, which is also known as chicken tikka masala worldwide. We are going to try the Saag Paneer, which is a creamy spinach paneer, paneer is a Indian cottage cheese, and show you a wrap, a chicken tikka wrap, which is one of our most popular dishes in Bollywood. And we are good. The last one we're going to do is chicken tikkas, which is think of it like a barbecue chicken in our Indian tandoor, which are marinated overnight, and absolutely delicious and tender pieces of chicken. After the 5 dishes, we're going to do one more, which is going to be a bonus. It's the Malai Kofta, one of the most delicious vegetarian dishes. It's dumplings made with potatoes and cottage cheese in a creamy cashew sauce. Just delicious.
I cannot wait. Let's eat, let's eat. I didn't know you had it. I didn't know you had it. Some mango rice pudding. This is the best thing in the world.
This is like people going nuts about it.
I'm so excited.
So am I.
We have the Bollywood weather right now.
Absolutely, yeah. Yes, we do.
So how do we start?
Okay, so this
I
is
suggest you start first with a bite of the wrap.
You can do the wrap, and we can do the Aloo Samosa chaat, which is the deconstructed samosa.
Okay, so chicken tikka wrap, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the way they do it, they don't put, lettuce and all this other stuff. They put just onions, and then as well as
the sauces.
The sauces, like the chutneys, the chicken tikka. And you guys are the only ones that do this in Miami, right? The wraps.
Yes, we are the only ones who do wraps in Miami. We do it on like a pita-like naan bread or a paratha. And we also do the vegan, vegetarian version, which is the chana masala or the paneer.
I have to say, you made it a little spicy here.
Is it too spicy?
No, it's amazing. This is the way to do it.
It's perfect for him.
The chicken, the spices it has, is so unique. It feels like I'm in India. It really does. I mean, it's basically homemade food.
It is exactly like home style cooking. You've come to the right place if you want home style Indian food.
This is the only problem. Is sometimes you fall in love with a dish and you just gotta keep eating. This is like my 3rd lunch. I congratulate you, this is incredible. And this bread, this is a paratha? So,
yes.
Paratha is very typical, traditional bread that you get in northern India. I mean, I had a lot in Delhi. And so you have this, or you can get naan, right?
Naan, exactly.
Wow, I might have to finish the next one. Are you gonna eat? You're gonna help me?
Oh no, I just had lunch.
No, but this is like the best thing for the heat.
This is the lassi is the best.
The mango lassi.
Oh yeah. Just kidding.
Oh wow, this is like, I haven't had this in America. This is incredible. It is mango season in Miami. I have actually 2 mango trees in my house, so I'm like, I just don't stop eating them. And they're really fatty though. Oh, they're incredible. Okay, so let's go to the next dish. What's next?
Next is the deconstructed Aloo Samosa chaat.
Okay.
So which is the samosa, and it's topped with chana masala.
You know what I love about the chats is this, the crunchy.
The crunchy part.
Crunchy, mixed with
Those
the
are the
spice and the
chickpea
sweet.
noodles. Those are chickpea noodles. Very traditional in Bombay street food.
That's basically like Bel Puri has that.
Exactly, exactly. The Sev Puri has it. Sev Puri is basically with the save on top.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna come here every day for this. This is, oh man.
Try the papri chaat.
Yeah.
I'm in love with this dish. It just, you know, the sweet, the spice, and the crunch.
David, don't forget I made it.
I know. Oh my god. Oh, you going?
Doing a second round.
Have to.
Gotta let your guests eat alone.
That's Indian traditions. Make
Man.
sure that you overfeed your guest. That's the first.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Anywhere you go, if you noticed in India, right, there's a little bit more. Have some.
Yeah,
have
no.
some. Yeah.
They never let you go hungry.
Never let you
Never.
go.
This is incredible.
Overstuffed.
This is so good. It's so good. So what's next? What do you think I should
Okay,
try?
so the next thing that you can try is
The spinach
the
paneer.
spinach paneer, which is creamy spinach made with Indian cheese, cottage cheese, and in-house spices.
I know he still wants some. You're done? Okay.
I just didn't want you to feel alone.
It's just the way it goes, right? We Indians love to feed people and we love to share our food too.
Paneer with spinach. I haven't had this dish.
That looks really good. Oh, you haven't had saag paneer before?
Oh my god. And the spices.
Yes, exactly.
Because what I heard is that every dish in India has like 5 to 500 spices.
Exactly.
It's like,
Yes.
that's why, and people say, hey, Indian food spicy. I'm like, actually no, Indian food has a lot of spices. Because see, Thai food, there's no spice and then you just put a chili and that's it. This is incredible. I mean, for me, one of my favorite dishes, I think I told you earlier, in India was paneer chili.
Oh, the paneer chili.
Oh, I didn't stop.
Fried paneer chili.
Fried paneer chili, I didn't stop.
Yeah,
it was
that's-
incredible.
Okay, now I would like you to try the goat.
Yeah, that's right. Bones or no bones?
Just
You like
give
you
it a
do.
little bit.
Whatever you
Oh,
want.
he's the Indian. He'll want you to suck the bone.
Okay, so we're gonna jump with the
Okay.
goat curry.
Curry with-
Okay, you want me to mix with the rice?
If you like to have
Well,
it, just taste it.
Just wanted to try it without. It's good. Got some bone marrow. Very soft. And you think I should mix it with the rice? You know, just go like this. That's the thing with goat, you know. Lots of little bones. You want me to use my
Right
hand?
in there.
No.
Use your hand.
I'll go like this.
Don't worry, we have soap and water for you.
This is amazing. Yeah, and you definitely need to mix it with the rice. So you want me to grab this with my hands? Oh, it's hot.
Okay. And that's the only way to eat goat.
Oh,
To actually feel what are the flavors.
oh, that's incredible. This is how you do it in India, right?
Uh-huh.
Incredible India.
Incredible India. That's right.
Oh wow. I actually love using my hands. People like think it's weird. I'm like, oh, I love it. And I love the sauce. That's what India's about, you know?
Yep. And you can get this sauce only when you simmer, slow simmer. You know,
Slow
everything
simmer.
is about simmering and then going through your spices at the right time, at the right stage. That's the only way.
So we're not trying 5, we're trying 8 here. Okay, so they say this is one of the best dals people have ever
Miami.
tried. In Miami? I love dal.
You don't want the serrano pepper.
Big spicy.
That spice is delicious. Oh my god. This is a really nice dal. It's light. It's not too spicy. I mean, what was that? Just a
So this is just for, she's put a little bit of serrano and
Okay.
tomato on the top.
No, I won't stop. With Indian food, I can't ever stop. It's like just so addictive, you know? We're gonna jump into this one, and this is Malai Kofta. And what is Malai Kofta?
Malai Kofta is dumplings made with paneer and potatoes. And it's then simmered with a cashew creamy sauce.
This is my favorite dish.
Hold on
This is
a
my
second.
favorite dish.
Hold on a second.
It's so sweet and
It is sweet.
oh man.
Tested in the 5 dishes. Both of you said no.
I didn't say even one word. Hello, check the camera. Who said no?
This is incredible.
Yeah, so
It's just so sweet. Is it really fatty? Yeah.
don't even.
Very rich.
Yeah, it's a rich dish.
Wow.
So this is the butter chicken curry, also known as chicken tikka masala. They say that this is one of the most popular Indian dishes in England.
In England.
In England, they call it chicken tikka masala. We call it butter chicken curry. It's pretty much the same thing. Every chef has a different way of making the sauce, but it pretty much the sauce is the flavors are the same. It's a sweet, tangy sauce.
Very sweet.
And the chicken that is put into it is marinated for over 24 hours. Then we put it in the tandoor. So they're called the chicken tikkas. Chop them up and put it in the sauce with some cream. And it's topped with cilantro
I could
and
drink
cinnamon.
the sauce.
Yeah.
Like
this
drink
sauce
it.
is really good.
Just so addictive.
It is addictive.
This is number one.
Second one.
Yeah. I mean, it probably is the second one.
But
I don't know, but the goat.
goat.
And I tried a little bit of lamb inside, and that lamb was phenomenal. If you go to any Indian restaurant in America and they don't have lassi, they're not Indian. Yogurt drink. This is the best thing in the world after you eat a meal to cool down, especially in hot Mumbai. But guys, thank you so much. This is an incredible
It's
meal.
our pleasure. So happy to have you here.
I loved it. I live 2 blocks away, so I'm literally gonna come here every day.
Oh,
No,
perfect.
I'm
We
serious.
look
I'm
forward.
gonna come by. So there you have it. 5 incredible, actually 8 incredible Indian street food dishes or killer street food dishes. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Next time you're in Miami, head down to South Miami. Check out Bollywood Masala for some real homemade Indian food. Super delicious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Namaste.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
David.